Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. Hey, we're on our way to check out a brand new build. It's got double 65-foot RV garages. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 2790 Barite Drive. This is a brand new construction. They're just wrapping up the final details on this. It's a nice, quiet street, north side area. It's got a pretty good lake view from the street. Paver driveway. Nice big corner lot. About 13,500 square feet. No junk around. Haven't seen a car since I've been here. So it looks like they have the mini splits going in the garage. So you have a nice climate controlled air conditioned garage. Real nice custom stonework. Looks like they're doing some irrigation work. Let's go grab the key and check it out. Got a nice entryway. Looks like an 8-foot entry door. All right, guys, so this is a brand new 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Sits on a big lot. Almost 2,000 square feet, 1,945 square feet. Got can lights everywhere, big ceiling fan. Got the tall ceilings, double slider out to the backyard. Split floor plan. Beautiful granite counters. Looks like it has central vac. Kitchen island. Subway tiles. It's pretty nice. Also has the tall baseboards and the troweled down walls. Has the soft touch closed cabinets. Really like this granite. So you have your master on one side with the laundry. It's a big master. It's got big walk-in closets, can lights, nice ceiling fan. Slider out to the backyard. Pretty big walk-in closet. Got a nice master bath, separate water closet. Real nice tile and granite. Tall ceilings, walk-in shower. Got the rain head, custom stonework. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have your indoor laundry right off the master and kitchen. You have bedroom number 2 at the rear of the house. Good size. Kind of your standard setup, tall ceilings. You have your guest bath in the hallway, nice granite counters. This house looks like it's pretty much done, just a couple little knickknacks left to do. Real nice shower. The bathroom cabinets are also the soft touch close upgrade. Got bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. Pretty decent size, about the same size as the other one. Let's go check out the garage. All right, guys, so this is what it's all about. The huge garage setup. This is a 2-car garage, and this looks like it's a 27-foot bay with 9-foot doors. You have your central vac. Garage doors are insulated, and there are openers installed. Epoxy floors look like they're just done. You got your soft water loop to tie into. Don't know if it's included. Also the RO sticking out of the wall to plug that in. So you have these huge double RV garage sides, 32 feet wide, 65 feet deep, dual 14-foot doors. They already have one of the mini splits installed, which is air conditioning. Also has a drive-through bay in the rear so you can get equipment in the backyard because there's plenty of room for a pool. You got your RV hookups, 50 amp, water, and clean out. So it also has a 50 amp on this side of the garage as well, so you can put 2 RVs in here. Huge, huge space. All right, so you have the double sliders out to the back porch, backyard area, plenty of room for a pool. Not sure if they're putting in a wall or what. Looks like they're getting ready to maybe put a wall in. Pretty big yard. You can make something really, really nice back here. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little walk through the house over here on Barite Drive. Super nice house, great little area, plenty of room for a pool. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this listing so you can get all the original listing pictures and pertinent listing information. Also put my direct contact information right below this video, so if you guys have any questions or if there's anything I missed, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here to help. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.